Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a standard user account in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 on graphical mode. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create a standard user account on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 in graphical mode, click on Activities on upper left corner. Now click on Show Applications and then click on All Applications. Now click on Settings and in left pane you will find the last option, Details. Click on Details and then click on Users. Here you will find your all users and you will find a button, Add User. Click on Add User. Here first of all you will find account type. There are two types, standard and administrator. Select standard. Now type the username. I'm typing John Paul and this is the login name, John Paul. And under password you will find two options: allow user to set password when they next login and set a password new. Select set a password new and now type your password and now confirm password. Now click on add. The user is added. Close setting. Now I'm going to log in with the new user. Click on power icon on upper right corner. Then click on the username and then click on switch user. Here you will find the new user John Paul. Click on John Paul. Now type the password. Now click on sign in. This is the easiest way to create a standard user on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 in graphical mode. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.